I'm bringing you this cute, flirty, fall brown wig. I'm going to do my slow-mos, okay? You know how I do. You know how I do. I'm gonna do my slow-mos, okay? Got to give it to you guys.
What?
Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new, please do not forget to hit the red subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll know each time I upload a video. You don't want to miss out, you guys, so hit that notification bell, all right? What do you think of the unit? I love the waves. I really love the waves. I love the color. And this is a synthetic unit, you guys. This company reached out to me. Thank you so much. The brand is Thecocoaalmondjoy. I've never heard of them before. But this is a short wavy wig with bangs. It's a short bob synthetic wig. It's very natural looking. It's 14 inches. And I think this is super duper cute. I think it is work appropriate. I'm going to wear it to work. So we'll see how this looks. You know, I love the fact that it is okay. There's no lace to cut. It has bangs. I really like this unit. It is cute and sassy, easy to put on, no lace to cut. It's a plop on and go. Really, you just plop it on and fluff it out and you go. Now the one con though, the one con about this unit was the parting. The parting was like extremely white. Like, no. I had to color that parting in a little bit with my contour color from Benefit Hoola bronzer in Toasted. I colored it in so it can match my skin tone a little bit more. I feel like Olivia Pope. Okay. Alright, tell me what you think. Leave them down below. I'm going to leave all the details for this company listed down below. Thank you again Thecocoaalmondjoy for sending me this particular unit to review. It is an Amazon company. If I didn't say that before, it is an Amazon company, you guys. So it is super duper affordable. So check it out. Alright. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.